Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to use the new Popover API for web development in your web app. So here I will first show you the output. So here I have one button called open Popover, and if I click on it, okay, nothing is happening. Okay, because I have commented out the code, I'll just uncomment it and I'll quickly refresh it and I'll click on open Popover, and here you can see this Popover has been displayed. Now if I click outside the Popover, it gets automatically dismissed. If you want to style the Popover, I have some styles as well, so I'll just copy those styles. I'll come back to this code later on. Firstly I'll show you the output, and if I now click on open Popover, here you can see it is now occupying the entire screen. Now if I click on escape, here you can see the Popover gets dismissed. So we don't have to configure anything. I'll just comment this out for now and I'll just uncomment this. So here in this second case, what I'm doing is that like clicking outside the Popover won't dismiss it. We will have to provide the functionality manually inside our code. So I'll quickly refresh this, and if I click on open Popover, I'm trying to click outside the dialog, but it is not getting displayed. But if I click on this close button, which is part of the Popover, like this is a very small Popover, here you can see it gets dismissed. So let's see how to do this. So okay, so firstly I'll just show you this. So the first output which we saw, so all you have to do is, there is no JavaScript involved. I have done is that I have created one button, and here you have to add this Popover target with this particular name. Now whatever name you have given over here, you have to use the same ID name as to this particular div as well, and you have to mark this div as Popover. If you want, you can use styles. If you don't want, you can just remove this. So this is how simple it is, and inside this you can display whatever content you have. That's it. Now the second way, I'll just comment this out. Again, the button would remain the same. I'll just remove this comment. So here you can see this again. Here I have added this Popover as manual. The ID remains the same, whatever Popover target you have given to this particular button, and the Popover Popover property is manual. So here you will have to implement the closing functionality. For that I have just created one button. Inside that you have to give a Popover target of my Popover, okay, and Popover target action equal to hide, and inside the button I am just showing this X close. This will automatically once we click on this, it will automatically hide our Popover for us. Other important thing which I want to tell you is that this Popover API is a new API. It has been implemented in Chromium based browser, Safari as well as Firefox, but in case if your user is using some older version of the browser, you can use this Popover polyfill API like this npm package as well, in case if you want to.